Hey everybody, Derek here. As you can tell, it's cold as crap outside. It's Iowa, I don't know, middle of January, let's say, and it's roughly negative 100 out. My little heater decided to take a crap on me today as well, which is super awesome. I've been planning to get a lot done on the truck and have gathered up all the parts I need, and then we get slammed with like a foot of snow and negative degrees for a very long time. So just gonna do something real quick today that has been bugging the crap out of me. We're gonna do the it's called a multi-function switch. Some people call it your turn signal switch or your high beam switch, your windshield wiper switch, whatever you want to call it. But it is this little guy right here. Mine, I've already replaced it once with an AutoZone unit, and luckily it is warranted, so I'm replacing it for free. My actual windshield washer button isn't working anymore. I was going to run you guys through like a diagnosis of it, but pretty easy, since normally when you hit your windshield washers, the wipers will start to go back and forth after the motor runs. So if you push your button and your wipers move and you're not getting any liquid out on your windshield, then obviously check your fluid levels first. If that's okay, then the next thing I would check is going to be your the motor, the pump, sorry, the windshield washer fluid pump, and check voltage going to that. Probably a bad pump. It happens frequently enough. But my windshield wipers, they don't move when I push my button. So I know it's that switch. Kind of expected it to be that switch since I replaced it, like I said, a little over a year ago. It's an AutoZone unit. Not the best for electronics, honestly. I think I might just start going to Ford to get my electronics because they just keep failing. It's free, so it's under warranty, so I'm just going to swap it out. This will work for 2011, 12, and 13 F-150s, 250s, 350s, maybe the 450s and 550s, but pretty much anything from 11 to 13 that's a pickup, it'll be the same procedure, and it's super easy. First thing you want to do is after you turn your truck off, or before you turn your truck off, sorry, is you want to make sure you have your steering wheel turned to the left. So this flat part is, over on this side. Excuse the dust. Like I said, it's cold. I'm not going to clean it when it's cold. So you're going to make sure your wheels turn to the left before you shut the truck off. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to come under here and you're going to undo these three. Mine is a 5.5 millimeter. I just used a socket. And before you guys think, oh my gosh, he's so strong, he's undoing those bolts by hand, I already loosened them. So I'm going to get those out. Okay, I got those 3 screws out. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to use something that's not going to hurt the plastic like someone's already done here. And we're going to pry this part up. Okay. Now that's off. It is connected. You can see in there's like a piece of felt. Oh, pleather or leather. Ford only uses high quality leather on their cars, right? So just kind of leave it hanging up like that. And now we can see our switches here. Doesn't get any easier, guys. There's a Torx head bit there. And there's a Torx head bit right there. Obviously, we are gonna loosen those. And I'll show you how to pull it out after that. Okay, so if you've got the electronic pedal adjustment switch like I do, you'll have to go in here. Right there. It's hard to see. And pull that tab back. You'll be able to see it once you get this cover off. And then up here, you basically just take the switch and pull it out. And then you're all done. Installation is going to be just the reverse. Obviously, you push your switch back in, make sure everything's lined up, because there's just those pins right there. Dang, camera. They just slide right into that. So get it lined up before you press it in. This was not like this when I did this before. I'm not real sure what happened. It's kind of cracked and the screws weren't really holding on. So I don't know if that has something to do with it. I might see if I can just replace this part, or if I have to take the whole airbag, steering wheel, clock spring assembly off. Yeah, I'm not sure how I'm gonna fix that right now, but for now I'm gonna put it back together and worry about it another day. Another real easy job, guys. Don't be scared of them. The Torx bit for the screws on the switch was a T10, so Torx 10. Just put it on a long extension and was able to get those screws out real easy. Like always, if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. We do our best to answer them. If you like this video, if it helped you out at all, give it a like. Let me know that it helped you. I love answering your guys' questions, but honestly, just throwing a comment in saying, hey, great job with the video, or hey, dude, you suck. Like, tell me whatever. You're not going to hurt my feelings. So yeah, give us a like, follow, comment, tell your friends about us, and hopefully you took a minute out of your day to do some maintenance. God bless everybody.